Hey guys, Jesus Ramirez here with One Take Productions, and I'm going to be doing a simple quick tutorial on how to shoot creamy water. If you guys want to watch that, please stick around. Let's go ahead and do the intro. You're gonna want to go ahead, sorry I can't talk, but you're gonna want to go ahead and switch your camera over to manual mode or shutter speed priority mode. Either one of those is fine. You're gonna want to go ahead and set your tripod up on a really sturdy, nice location where it's not gonna go anywhere, where you want to get the shot, and you want to make sure you can get as much landscape as you can as well instead of just water. So with that being said, using shutter speeds around 140. After that, 1/40th of a second is pretty slow. So you can basically get a little cream, like a little creamy flowy water there with that. But I would recommend honestly using at least a 10-second exposure, or I would say at least 8 to 10-second exposure. If you want to go higher than that, go for it. Just know that you're going to want to like turn your ND filter all the way down to the last stop that it has, because it's going to be super overexposed if you don't do that. So basically, ND filters are really important with this stuff, guys, so you need to get one. I use a shutter speed of 145, I believe, and that one didn't come out too bad. It came out pretty decent, came out really nice. Water was like flowing just a tad bit, but the one that I really liked was an 8-second exposure. I believe it was an 8-second or a 10-second. I can't remember. It was either one of those, but either way, the water looks super creamy, super nice, and you can like basically see the reflection off of the water, like basically your highlights and whatnot. And it looks really dope. So, and the final thing, and that's kind of important as well, is you're gonna want to lower your f-stop, your aperture, all the way down to at least 22, or if it can go higher than that, or lower than that, I mean, go ahead and do it, because you're gonna want to go ahead and capture literally every detail that you can get in the landscape that you're shooting.